You can manifest anything you want in your life. Yes, anything. Love, money, inner peace, better job, a new home, whatever your goal is, there's one tool that can supercharge your manifestation. And no, it's not complicated. You only need one thing, the Crystal Grid Kit. We bet some of you already have a crystal grid sitting at home, and you're still wondering, okay, but how do I actually use this thing? No worries, in today's video, we're breaking down exactly how to use your crystal grid to manifest anything you desire in just 5 simple steps. It's more than just placing crystals in a shape. It's a powerful ritual that aligns your energy with your intention. Ready to turn your dreams into reality? Let's dive in. Step 1, setting up your sacred space. Before you begin, it's so important to create a space that supports your manifestation work. Choose a time when you won't be disturbed. Then find a special spot in your home where you can leave your grid for at least a few days. This could be your altar, a desk, or your meditation space. I also love to cleanse my space first by opening windows to let fresh air flow through, lighting a candle, or burning some sage. This is your practice, so make it feel special to you. From your crystal grid kit, you'll need your Seed of Life grid card, selenite stick, and we'll choose our crystals together in a moment. Having a journal nearby is also wonderful for recording your intentions and experiences. If you don't have your kit yet or are looking for some beautiful journals, you'll find both in the Mindful Souls store. Links are in the description below so you can check them out. Step 2, setting your intention. The key to a successful crystal grid is a powerful intention. So this is where the real magic happens, by taking a few deep breaths to center yourself. What are you calling into your life? Be specific. Instead of just abundance or success, think, I am confidently attracting the people and experiences that align with my true purpose and growth. Write your intention in your journal, using present tense as if it's already happening. This helps create that energetic bridge between desire and manifestation. Step 3, choosing your crystals. Now for the fun part, selecting your crystals. Let me show you how to choose each one. Your focus stone is your anchor. It holds your core intention. Hold each of the 31 crystals from your kit in your hand and notice which one feels most aligned with your goal. Clear quartz is wonderful as it amplifies any intention, but trust your intuition if another stone calls to you. Way stones create the path to your manifestation. These stones should represent the journey and what you need to embody to achieve your goals. For example, if you're manifesting career growth, you might choose carnelian for motivation and tiger's eye for confidence. Desire stones represent the outcome you're calling in. Choose stones that embody the energy of your manifestation fulfilled. Using our career example, you may want to pick citrine for success and green aventurine for new opportunities. If you ever feel stuck or aren't sure about which crystals to choose, just take a look at this quick guide included in your kit. It's got a list of different intentions and shows you exactly which crystals work perfectly to amplify each one. Step 4, creating your grid. Now we'll bring it all together. Take your selenite stick and slowly pass it over each crystal, visualizing pure white light cleansing their energy. As you cleanse each one, hold it in your hands and whisper your intention into it. Now, place your Seed of Life grid card flat on your chosen surface. Start by putting your focus stone in the center of your grid. As you place it, really feel your intention anchoring into the physical realm. Then, mindfully place your waystones along the grid, seeing them as creating a pathway for your manifestation. Finally, position your desire stones at the outer points. These complete the sacred geometry and seal your intention into the physical realm. Step 5, activating your grid. With your grid assembled, it's time to activate it. Place your hands over it, take 3 deep breaths, and visualize bright golden light flowing from your heart, through your hands, and into the grid. Using your dominant hand, trace the lines between the stones with your fingers. Start from the center and move outward. Feel that? That's pure manifestation energy beginning to flow. Leave it in place for at least 2 days, and each morning or evening, spend a quiet moment with your grid. Light a candle, take a breath, and reconnect with your intention. There you have it. You've literally just learned to use one of the most powerful manifestation tools out there. I'd love to hear what everyone's manifesting, so drop a comment and let me know your dreams. Or share how setting up your very first crystal grid felt. And remember, if you haven't got your crystal grid kit yet, you can find it at the link below. Until next time, keep dreaming big and manifesting even bigger.